Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome again and retrieve your bookmarks. So your computer crashes, something like that, you get a new computer up and running, and you want to be able to browse the internet the way that you used to. Here inside of Firefox, I've got the download page for Google Chrome open. It's pretty easy to find, just Google or Bing or whatever you use, Chrome, and it'll pop right up with this. So you would click the download button, it would put a folder onto your desktop, and you would install it. It's pretty straightforward. It's got like maybe 2 button presses. I've already got it installed though. So if I come over here to Chrome, the only way to really get your bookmarks back once you've installed Chrome is to have backed them up before you lost Chrome. So say that you wanted to back your system up. You come up here to the this little button here in the upper right, which is like your options menu, and we would come down to Bookmarks and click on Bookmarks Manager. And so here next to the Bookmarks Manager, you can see all of your bookmarks listed out, all the folders and everything. We're going to click on Organize, Export Bookmarks to an HTML file. And it's going to ask us where we want to save it. I'm going to save it right to the desktop. Click Save. And so all of my links, all of my bookmarks, my favorites, everything is now backed up into that one file. Now let's say that I had the foresight to put that onto a CD drive or an external hard drive and it's completely safe. So my system is back up and running and I want those to come back. To do that, we would click usually Other Bookmarks, but I'm going to do it in the Bookmarks bar so you can see. Click on Organize again, and this time we're going to import the bookmarks. So click on the file and choose Open. And you can see that it now has an exact copy of what was underneath Other Bookmarks. So that's a pretty simple way of how to back up your bookmarks and restore them once you've installed Chrome again. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.